Hello everybody. In this lesson, I will teach you how to prove triangles similar. Now, what is similarity? Two or more shapes are similar if they have the same shape but are different sizes. If two or more shapes are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional, that means in the same ratio, and their corresponding angles are equal. The symbol for similarity is that one. It looks like parallel lines with an extra line. Now in the diagram, triangle DEF is similar to triangle STV. The order in which triangle DEF is similar to triangle STV is written is very important. The order of the letters on either side of the similarity sign tells us which angles are equal and which sides are in proportion. From the order in which the triangles are written, we can see that triangle DEF is similar to triangle STV. Now have a look. This means angle D is equal to angle S. Angle E is equal to angle T. And angle F is equal to angle V. From the order, we can also find the sides in proportion. So when we have triangle DEF similar to triangle STV, I say we make a McDonald's sign. It works like this. You say DE over ST, so that's the ratio, is equal to EF over TV, is equal to the ratio DF over SV. Something important to remember. When proving two triangles similar, we only need to prove two angles are equal. The third angles will be equal. Because of the theorem, the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, angle A is equal to angle X, that's given. Angle B is equal to angle Y, that's also given. Therefore, we can say that angle C is equal to angle Z, and our reason will be the third angle of a triangle. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, and our reason is always angle, angle, angle. Then, it is also good practice to write down the ratios of the sides of the similar triangles, even if it was not asked for. So that means, now that you know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ, you do the McDonald's, you do the ratio bit. It works like this. You say the ratio AB over XY is equal to BC over YZ. The ratio is equal to the ratio AC over XZ. There are two ways to prove that triangles are similar. The first one is we prove that the corresponding angles of the triangles are equal. And then this is the reason, angle, 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 the abbreviation that you may use. The other method is to prove that the corresponding sides of the triangles are in proportion, in the same ratio. And then the reason you will use is sides in proportion. Example 1. Prove the two triangles similar and calculate the value of x. So we can start by saying in triangle KLM and triangle PQR. Angle K is equal to angle P, and the reason it's given. Angle L is equal to angle Q. That's also given. Therefore, we can say that angle M is equal to angle R, and the reason there is the third angle of a triangle. Therefore, we can say that triangle KLM is similar to triangle PQR, and the reason angle, angle, angle. Then, because of the similarity, now we can write down the ratios, and we say the ratio KL over PQ is equal to the ratio LM over QR is equal to the ratio KM over PR, and we can say that because of the similarity. Then let's see, we know the size of KL, it's 4 over PQ is 6 equals. Then LM, that's X, that's what we want, over and QR is 10. So then this KM over PR, that's by for now. Then we can cross multiply and we end with 4 times 10 is equal to 6 times X. 4 times 10 is 40 is 6x. Divide away the 6, therefore x is 6,66. Before we continue, have you subscribed yet? Or you can like this video, and better yet, please tell your friends about my channel. Let's continue. Example 2. Prove the two triangles similar and calculate the value of x. We start by saying in triangle ABC and triangle ADE. Now what's given? Angle B is equal to angle E. That's given. Then we can also say that A1, angle A1 is equal to angle A2, and our reason there is they are vertically opposite angles. And then we can automatically say that angle C is equal to angle D, and your reason third angle of a triangle. Therefore, triangle BAC, can you see the order in which I write that? Is similar to triangle EAD, and your reason angle, angle, angle. Then, because they are similar, we can write down the ratios, and we say BA over EA, the ratio, is equal to AC over AD. The ratio is equal to BC over ED. And you say that, and then you give a reason. Your reason is the two triangles are similar. Then we are looking for x. So BA is x plus 1 over, and EA is 3. And then we don't know the size of AC or AD, so they are by for now. And then BC is 8 over and ED is 4. Then we cross multiply and we end with x plus 1 times 4 is equal to 8 times 3. And then we will multiply in the 4, even if it's backwards. Therefore, 4x plus 4 is equal to 24. Let the 4 walk across. 24 minus 4 is 20, and we divide away the 4. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Example 3. Given that triangle NOP is similar to triangle QRS, calculate the value of y. So in this question, it's given that they are similar. So you don't have to prove them similar. So because they are similar, we can say it's given that they are similar. Therefore, we can do the ratio thing and say NO over QR is equal to OP over RS is equal to NP over QS. That is because it was given that the two triangles are similar. Then we want the value for y. So do you agree we don't have information on OP or RS? And then we can say NO over QR is 3 over 2 equals, and NP over QS is 5y minus 1 over y plus 1. And then we cross multiply and we end with 3 times y plus 1 equals 2 times 5y minus 1. And then we multiply in the 3y plus 3, and on the right hand side we multiply in the 2. 2 times 5y is 10y minus 2. Then all the y's on the one side, 10y minus 3y, and all the numbers on the other side. 3 plus 2 is 5. 10y minus 3y is 7y. Let's solve y, so we divide away the 7 and y is 0,71. Example 4. In the diagram, the dimensions are given. Prove that triangle KJG is similar to triangle GHJ. Now in this example, can you see no angles were given? It was only the lengths of the sides. So we'll do it like this. We'll say, in triangle KJG and triangle GHJ, we can say the ratio of the longest side over the longest side will be JK over HG, which is 12 over 6, and that simplifies to 2 over 1. Then the second longest side over the second longest side is GK over GJ, which is 10 over 5, and that simplifies to 2 over 1. And then we'll do shortest side over shortest side, which is GJ over HJ. 5 divided by 2,5, and that simplifies to 2 over 1. So can you see the ratios are all 2 over 1. They are all equal. Therefore, the two triangles are similar, and now your reason is the sides in proportion. In the next video, I will discuss congruency in triangles. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next video.